Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to draw hands. I have a really simple method for anyone to learn how to draw any type of hand right away. And the method is, don't draw hands. The easy way to do it is to simplify the finger as much as possible. Try to use shape like triangle to express the shape of the whole hand. Just like folding origami. You might have some difficulty to try to do it like this at first. Just take some picture references of your own hand and try to simplify them into triangle. When you've done enough exercise and get good enough at doing this, you're ready to add more detail to your hands and make them look better. When drawing fingers, we should also try to simplify it as much as possible. There are two hand drawing techniques that almost every artist uses. The first one is to try to draw the middle finger and the ring finger like they are glued together, and draw the index finger and the little finger to spread out from the palm. And the other technique is to draw the finger instead of 3 segments, which will simplify them into 2. Good looking hand is all about simplifying. Now, using the skill we have learned, we can start drawing with a simplified triangle hand and then use it as a guideline to draw the hand. Remember, spread the index finger and the little finger, and put the middle finger and the ring finger together. When you get good enough at drawing like this, you don't need the help of a triangle anymore. Another important thing to say is that in many cases, you only need to master how to draw one or two gestures. Not all gestures will look good when drawing. For example, a shape like this will always look strange no matter how you draw it. The most frequently drawn gestures are like this, this, and this. You really don't need to learn how to draw every type of hand. But if you're still having trouble drawing hands, just do it like this. Take a screenshot of the picture seen right now and use it as reference to practice drawing triangle. If you can draw a good looking triangle, then you can draw a good looking hand. Just remember, simplify, simplify, simplify.